Okay, today we have 2020 Dodge Challenger, and we are going to use ATPSTOGO EZK911 programmer to program KFOB for this car. And we have this programmer, and we have the extra cable. Firstly, we need to connect the programmer to this cable. After you connect the cable and you plug the OBD port to the vehicle OBD port. After you connect to the vehicle, and you need to use this end to plug in here, and we're going to show you how to plug in here. Okay, as you can see, there's 3 buckles here. You need to unlock the 3 buckles under the soft cover. After you unlock the buckles, you can take off the soft cover. And you use our special tool to unlock the buckle. It's easy because it's all plastic buckle. You just need to push the green connector towards the steering wheel direction, and then it will come off. And we have the cable here, and we have the socket here, and you can plug in any socket, it will work. So we just plug in this socket, and then we're going to test it. Just plug it in. Okay, after the cable connection, we're going to add key for this 2022 Dodge Challenger. Here's the new key. And we go to key program. Dodge by vehicle. Challenger. (2022). For the new key, we have the new key inside and the original key outside of the car. Press OK. Firstly, we read the total keys. Engine is off. Total 4 keys, and we're going to add another key. That will be 5 keys total. We're going to add key. Turn headlight on and ignition off. Headlight on and ignition off. Okay. Do you want to use this pin code? Yes. Within 30 seconds, attach the key list to the engine start button and press the unlock button. Then wait. Press OK. program succeed. See, it works. Now we're going to test if we can start the car. Yes, it works. Easy and fast. And we're going to read the key numbers, okay? Total keys. 5 keys.